Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am with another healthy and tasty chutney, oil-free ginger chutney with air fryer and stovetop base. It's an awesome side dish for most of the Indian breakfasts, idli, dosa, vada, upma, etc. It tastes so delicious with ginger flavor, tangy, little spicy and sweet. It's a blend of all flavors. It enhances the other chutneys' taste that it's so addictive. With ginger chutney, we don't need other chutneys much in quantity. Ginger is so healthy, a must-try chutney. Every serving needs a little ginger chutney only. Thus, I usually partition into two boxes. I use one after the other. It stays fresh in fridge for 4 plus months. First time it will taste a little spicy and bit salty. Tastes delicious after a day or two like mango pickle, as spiciness and saltiness gets reduced a bit in 1 to 2 days. Let's get started. First, peel the ginger with either peeler or sharp-edged spoon. This ginger we get here in US is ready to use. No need to wash. If you find it soily or dusty, wash once, wipe and then dry for an hour. We can reuse this ginger peel too. Wash the peel. Dry out completely. Use this dry peel in tea. Chop the ginger into medium pieces. Mix it exactly 1 cup. Perfect measurements is the key for tasty ginger chutney. So 1 cup ginger pieces need 3 by 4 cup of jaggery and tamarind each. These are the ingredients for dry roasting. Wash tamarind once. Drain out the water. Add 1 cup water to the tamarind. If you want to keep ginger chutney little loose, add 1.5 cup water. Boil tamarind along with water. Let it cool down completely. Let's see air frying ginger. You can use grill mat or liner or parchment paper on tray. Or you can use the drip pan directly. This is another way on tray directly without liners. Place ginger pieces and spread evenly. Place tray in the middle rack of air fryer. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. Note that Instant Vertex Plus air fryer preheats first for 4 minutes. Toss the ginger pieces after 3 minutes. Ginger pieces got brownish color. Let's see pan frying ginger. Heat the pan. Add 1 teaspoon oil. It's optional. Add ginger pieces. Or dry roast without oil. Keep mixing couple of times. Roast until ginger gets light brown spots. In the same pan, dry roast red chilli a minute and roast garlic. Add coriander seeds. Roast for half a minute. Now turn off the flame, add cumin seeds. Keep mixing. Cumin seeds will get roasted with a hot pan. As you see, all ingredients are roasted well. In a grinder jar, add roasted ginger, roasted spice mix and grind once. Add 3.5 tablespoon chilli powder and 3 tablespoons salt. If you eat mild spicy, add 3 tablespoon chilli powder and little less than 3 tablespoon salt. Add 3/4 cup jaggery and boil tamarind paste. Grind to coarse or smooth paste as per your choice. Now the ginger chutney is ready. This is with air fried ginger. Rest of the process is all same. Ginger chutney with air fried ginger. Both ways look and taste the same. Enjoy this chutney with breakfast. Hope you like my oil-free delicious ginger chutney. See you again with more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.